हेलो फ्रेंड्स। सो हमने 2 दिन पहले टेस्टी बाय टी टेबल्स का टेक्नो फंडा एनालिसिस वीडियो शेयर किया था। दिस इज द वीडियो एंड तब से लेके अब तक इट हैड गिवन अ रिटर्न ऑफ अराउंड 18%। आज ही वो 18% ऊपर था। सो बेसिकली स्टिल इफ एनीवन फील्स कि ये एक्सपेंसिव है, देन इवन 10% स्टॉक कैन गिव 20% रिटर्न। इवन 10,000 रुपीज स्टॉक कैन गिव 20% रिटर्न। पोटेंशियल सब में है, जहाँ अपॉर्चुनिटी रहेगी वहीं पे वी शुड enter first, and we should materialize that opportunity first in that case. So let's start with today's techno funda analysis video, and aaj ka video is on Borosil Renewables. It is one of my favorite companies that I am holding. I am holding it from lower levels, not at current price. So let's check this company. So basically I will just take a few months back. सो द कंपनी में थोड़ा डीमर्जर हुआ था। दे हैव सेपरेटेड देयर ग्लास बिजनेस एंड सोलर ग्लास बिजनेस, एंड एज यू कैन सी आफ्टर दिस डीमर्जर द प्राइस वेंट डाउन टिल 40 रुपीज in that case. So basically अभी इनका 2 यूनिट they are operating. One is for glass and other is for solar, glass for solar power plants. So basically so this company is for solar glass panels. So and if you see this particular pattern, so after this demerger it had formed a rounded bottom, and after the breakout the stock had given a return of around 100% in this case. I will just calculate here. Around 100% returns in just a few days, I would say. So again it is forming similar pattern, a rounded top pattern, a rounded bottom pattern, and अभी ये बेस बना रहा है यहाँ पे, and I have plotted this particular all time high level. I'm not considering demerger high price before demerger and everything. I am just considering current price, and if we see then 52-week high, then it is at around 323, and यहाँ पे उसने resistance भी लिया था after this, and as you can see यहाँ से resistance लेके the price had corrected around 34 percentage from this particular top. So basically this is a strong resistance for Borosil Renewables right now. Apart from this, this is blue line is also a resistance. This is a trend line, and यहाँ पे अगर आप देखोगे इसको यहाँ पे एक resistance था, then it got resistance at this level, and again it faced resistance at same level. So basically this is a resistance trend line for Borosil Renewables, and as you can see it is again forming a pattern of cup and handle. It is not a perfect definition for textbook definition, but if you want to name it then it can be a cup and handle, but instead of naming it हम इसका ब्रेकआउट पे फोकस करेंगे, एंड वी कैन plan out a trade accordingly. So right now the resistance for this is at around I would say 284, and current price is at 273 in this case. So short-term trader can accumulate this stock for short-term purpose, and they can wait for a breakout at above 283. After first they can buy, and then they can wait for a breakout, and they can add more quantities after breakout in this case. And the target in this case for short-term traders will be I will just add this above breakout. So basically the target for the short-term traders will be at around 395, 394 in this case. So short-term traders can look to use this opportunity. Currently the price is at 273. The stop loss for their trade will be at around this level, 260. So 260 will be the stop loss, and 394 can be the target for short-term traders. And for positional trader, they can buy at current price itself. So positional trader or investors can again buy at this price, although if they have missed this particular rally. I am also accumulating it at current this particular correction phase, and it's okay. A company is good and can give a decent return long term also. So the positional trader, the stop loss will be at this level. If they are planning to hold this for for medium to long term, then stop loss will be at around 250 in that case. And target, first target will be same, 394, and second target will be after this breakout. So if this breakout happen and stock price closes about 323, in that case the target will be revised for them for long term or positional trader, and फिर उसका target will be at around 434 in that case. So I have currently the stock is giving good opportunities for both short term and medium or long term traders. And बस उनका stop loss थोड़ा अलग है and target can be different for them. Even for investment, it is good stock to hold, buy and hold, or do SIP, because the company is very unique and the company, the business, इनका business भी एकदम unique है, and there are very less companies, or in fact no companies that manufactures solar panel glasses for solar panel, and their nearest competitor or the tough competition is from China basically. So we will discuss this in fundamental part in this video. Also, if we check Fibonacci retracement in this case, I will plot for this downtrend. So as you can see, currently the stock is facing a resistance at around same level, 61.8%, and it is at around 281.2. So if the stock keeps closing above this, then particularly the stock will complete its consolidation or correction phase, and it can enter an uptrend or a bullish journey. So आप इस पे मतलब थोड़ा ध्यान रख के, and you can accumulate this particular stock at every breakout or on dips, particularly with the proper stop loss in that case. So this is about the Borosil Renewables technical chart. So we will discuss about the fundamentals. So as you can see, the company had got demerged, and they are into the glasses for solar panel, and it is a unique business. If we check the market cap, it's at around 3600 crores, and book value is 47. If we check profit and loss statement, then the company's sales is increasing from year on year, and also the net profit is increasing. Company had stopped paying dividend recently, but they were paying it earlier. If you check the balance sheet, then the company's reserves is increasing year on year after this demerger as well. And also the company's borrowing is 61 crores. If we check the market cap, then it is at around 3600 crores. So basically, the debt is very low, or I would say the company is virtually debt free. So the company is fundamentally a good company. And if we check promoters holding, then the promoters have reduced their stake for last 2 years from 72% to 61%. But on the other hand, FIs have increased their stake from 2%. They have reduced it earlier to 0%, and then again they increased it to 8, and now it is around 7% in this case. If we check pledging, then there is no pledging by the promoters in this particular share. So the company is fundamentally strong, and also company is technically giving opportunities for both short-term and long-term traders or investors, and companies is very good and having a good business as well. And personally, I am holding this company. Just a disclaimer. So this is all about today's Technofunda video on Borosil Renewables. If you have learned anything from this video, then you can hit the like button and also subscribe to our channel and and hit the bell icon so that you get notified for all the videos that we upload in the future. Also, there is a disclaimer with this video. Thank you, guys.